Good day everyone, good day sir. We will discuss to you about our study guide lesson 9 that talks about travel insurance. And these are the key concepts. What does travel insurance cover? What are the benefits of travel insurance? How to get travel insurance? Who's buying travel insurance? And the types of travel insurance.
I think familiar naman tayo sa word na insurance. When we say insurance kasi, it means na a contract between an individual or business with an insurance company to help provide financial protection and mitigate the risks associated with certain situations or events. So it means na yung insurance magsaserve siya as compensation or financial protection once na may nangyari na unexpected events sa sa'yo or sa taong nag-apply ng insurance. Then yung family mo, magagamit niya yung insurance mo para sa mga medical expenses and other expenses once na may mga um, unexpected events or any accidents. Um, and also, if ever namatay yung taong nag-apply ng insurance, then magagamit ng family niya yung insurance na yun para um, ma-cover yung mga expenses sa living and sa funeral services. Let's move on to travel insurance. What is travel insurance? When we say travel insurance, it is an insurance product for covering unforeseen losses incurred while traveling, either internationally or domestically. Basic policies generally only cover emergency medical expenses, while overseas, um, while comprehensive policies typically include your coverage for trip cancellation, lost luggage, flight delays, and public liability and other expenses. So it means na yung travel insurance is also yung magsaserve siya as financial protection or compensations once na may unforeseen events or losses sa mga gamit or luggage during your flights. Then there are two types of policies under travel insurance. Yung first policy is basic policies. So yung sa basic policy is ang mako-cover niya lang is yung emergency medical expenses. So once na may nangyari sa or like may unexpected accident na nangyari sa during your flights, then mako-cover yung emergency medical expenses mo. While sa comprehensive policies naman, typically included na yung coverage for trip cancellation, lost luggage, flight delays, public liability, and other expenses. So lahat nakasama sa comprehensive policies. Especially if na-cancel yung flight mo or like na-delay ng ilang oras or sa mga nawalang gamit mo, then magbibigay sila ng compensation or in return dahil dun sa unforeseen losses or events na nangyari during your flights.
What does travel insurance cover? Trip cancellation. Trip cancellation provides coverage if your trip is cancelled for a covered reasons before you depart for your trip. Reimbursement for unused, non-refundable prepaid trip cost. As long as no claim has been initiated on the policy, a partial refund for unused portion of the insurance is usually possible. If you need to cancel your trip for a covered reason, such as sickness, job loss, flight cancellation due to adverse weather.
Here are the 4 benefits of travel insurance to travelers. First is, it protects you against losses during travel. Some of the losses that travel insurance covers include loss of check-in baggage, loss of passport, and etc. By providing coverage against these losses, it compensates the traveler for additional expenses that may occur due to these losses. So dito po, travel insurance protects you from losses during travel, such as kapag nawalan ka ng check-in baggage o passport. For example, kung mawala ang luggage mo sa airport, pwede kang ma-reimburse sa mga gastusin para bumili ng damit at iba pang essentials. Isa pang example, kung mawala ang passport mo, travel insurance can help cover the cost of getting a new one. Ganon siya ka-helpful para iwas hassle sa unexpected na situations habang nagta-travel. Second, it compensates medical expenses. One of the main reasons of opting for travel insurance is to compensate against accident or medical treatment, costs that may incur during travel. In case of any accident, dental treatment or medical treatment expenses up to the limit specified in the insurance policy are reimbursed by insurance company. Some insurance companies have a network of hospitals in different countries through which cashless treatment can be done. The travel insurance company also provides help to ensure the insured person doesn't have any problems. This is one of the biggest travel insurance benefits. So dito naman po, ang travel insurance ay sumasagot sa mga medical expenses habang nagta-travel. Isa sa mga main reasons kung bakit magandang kumuha nito ay para makompensate ang mga gastos sa aksidente o medical treatment na posibleng mangyari. Halimbawa, kung maaksidente ka at kailangan ng emergency medical treatment o dental care, sagot ng insurance company ang gastos hanggang sa limit na nakasaad sa policy mo. Mailang insurance companies na may network ng hospitals sa iba't ibang bansa, kaya pwede kang magpa-cashless treatment. Ibig sabihin, di mo na kailangang magbayad ng sarili mong pera. Sa halip, diretsyong babayaran ng insurance company ang hospital. Halimbawa, kung magkasakit ka sa ibang bansa at kailangan mong makonfine, pwede kang dalhin sa isang hospital na kapartner ng insurance company para hindi mo na problemahin ang gastos. This is one of the biggest benefits ng travel insurance kasi it ensures na wala kang magiging problema sa medical concerns habang nagtra-travel.
Here are one of the benefits of travel insurance to travelers. First, it covers against changes to the trip itinerary. At any point of time, there may be changes to the trip itinerary. It could be because of the unforeseen circumstances, health problems, cancellation of the seller of the hotel, or airline bookings, or financial bankruptcy of the company, or the cruise company offering the trip. The travel insurance policy compensates against these losses that occur before the trip commences. Travel insurance also covers against trip curtailment due to any reason. This coverage might be different from the product to product. It covers personal liability. Personal liability is a coverage against damage caused by the insured to a third person during travel, but especially international travel. If by any chance you cause any damage to a third person who has compensated, this part of travel insurance will provide compensation. Third-party liability can be damage to property to a person. This personal liability coverage might be differ from product to product. There are many travel insurance benefits that make it indispensable to travelers during their trips and vacations. Be sure to pick up travel insurance policy before your travels. Ito po ay kailangan natin talagang kumuha ng travel insurance to make sure na kahit ano pong mangyari at kung mayroong mga unexpected na hindi po natin talagang inaasahang mangyari is makakover po tayo ng travel insurance. For example, meron po tayong nabunggong tao, may na-injured or nakasagi man tayo ng mga gamit ng ibang tao at may nasira, ganun po, ay makakover po tayo ng travel insurance. Kaya napakahalaga po talaga ng travel insurance.
So, how to get travel insurance? Of course, when you're abroad, it's a no-brainer availing a travel insurance. So, saan nga ba tayo makakakuha nito? Where? You can get travel insurance from a travel insurer, travel agent, insurance broker, or credit card provider. For example, dyan sa Dagupan, may AA Insurance Agency dyan, or sa mga banks. You can go there to inquire. And take note, go to reliable travel insurer. Next is how. Paano nga ba tayo makaka-avail or makakabili ng travel insurance? Actually, it's really quick and easy. You can buy travel insurance online or direct dun sa insurer's website. For example, yung AAA Insurance Agency na sinabi ko kanina, you can directly go to their websites or sa mga airline booking sites or over the counter or even on your phone like yung AAA Insurance Agency kanina. You can go directly sa kanila or mas madali, or through your phone na lang through their websites. For example, via GCash, they offer travel insurance then. You can just tap G-Insure, then tap Travel, then tap Travel Protect International and get started na. Fill out mo lang yung mga details. Actually, buying travel insurance is actually really quick and convenient.
We must consider including travel insurance to our travels to prevent having problem and less cost in our trip. So the question here is, when to get travel insurance o kailan tayo dapat kumuha ng travel insurance? Immediately avail a travel insurance before your flight, for it will not only benefit your company but it will benefit you more by including having travel insurance to your travel. You are most likely to face less problems because having travel insurance assures you that you are covered from natural disasters, emergency, and cancellation of your flight. Maiging kumuha agad ng travel insurance bago ka mag-travel. Nakakabawas ito sa paggastos ng malaki dahil sakop ng travel insurance ang medical needs, loss of belongings, o ano pang sakuna na nararanasan ng lugar ng iyong pupuntahan. Kung nagkaroon ng aberya o emergency sa iyong paglaklakbay, makakabawas ito sa gastusin mo at makakatulong sa agarang pag-aksyon sa iyong emergency. Nakakatulong din ang travel insurance sa pagkawala ng iyong bagahe o kagamitan, kaya't malaking tulong ito sa iyong paglalakbay. And lastly, the most important thing in getting travel insurance is when you need to cancel your flight immediately, you can get refunds for what you have paid in travel insurance.
And lastly, what cover do you need? Siyempre, di natin alam kung anong mangyayari, so it's important to be sure and secured. You can certainly buy travel insurance quicker than it will take you to read this 5-minute guide. But do you know whether you'll be covered if your trip over after having a drink? If you crash your scooter in Thailand? If you lose your wallet during a stopover? There are a lot of what-ifs to consider, depending on where you're going and what you'll be doing. It's cheap compared to the risks you may encounter abroad, like those examples I've said earlier. So if something happens, compensation is a must. So napaka-importante talaga that we have a travel insurance. Kasi sabi ko nga kanina, we don't know kung anong mangyayari. So compensation is a must. Compensation if your flight gets cancelled or delayed, or if your checked-in luggages are lost, delayed, or damaged, or medical expense compensation for accidents, or compensation for loss of personal items and travel documents kung may nagnakaw man o nawala sa kung saan ka man pumunta, and compensation for aircraft hijacking. It is important talaga that we are safe and secured.
So now let's talk about who's buying travel insurance. First is pre-boomers, 96%. Second is baby boomers. Same sa pre-boomers, 96% din. Third is Gen X, 91%, or yung tinatawag nating baby busters. Fourth is Gen Y, 58%, or yung millennials. Lastly is Gen Z, 51%, or iGen. So, kung titignan natin, mas mataas ang percentage ng pre-boomers, baby boomers, and Gen X kaysa sa Gen Z and Y. Kasi nga, ang kadalasang reasons nila, kaya sila nagpo-purchase ng travel insurance kasi if ever na may mangyari sa kanila or magkaroon man ng medical or unseen health issues abroad or kailangan nilang makabalik agad sa country nila, magkakaroon sila ng or bibigyan sila ng travel insurance. I mean, meron silang travel insurance, makakatanggap sila ng better quality care. And then, kasi nga, kung titignan natin, ang Gen X to pre-boomers is, ito yung kadalasang taong nakaka-experience ng health issues dahil sa edad nila, unlike sa Gen Z to Y.
Types of travel insurance. First, single trip. Single trip covers you for a one-off trip for a set period of time. So, as the name suggests, ang single trip travel insurance covers a single journey and is tailored for travelers who plan to take one trip within a specific period. It provides coverage from the day you leave home for your trip until you return home. This is the popular choice for travelers. as it can cover all types of one-time trips katulad ng vacation or a short business trip. So, itong single trip travel insurance ay may mga advantage at disadvantage ito. So, dun muna tayo sa mga advantage niya. First, tailored coverage. It means you only pay for the coverage you need for one specific trip. Next, affordability. It only costs 5 to 10% of the total trip cost and covers 100% of your expenses. And last, simplicity. The policy is straightforward to understand, focusing on one trip. And then, ang disadvantage naman ng single trip travel insurance ay ang limited to one trip because the coverage ends once you are back home. So, you will need to buy another policy for future trips. Second, repetitive costs. If you travel multiple times a year, purchasing single trip policies for each journey can add up. Second is annual or multi-trip. It covers you for as many trips as you take within a whole year. Typically more cost-effective than the single trip option if you are taking more than 2 holidays within that period. So, itong annual travel insurance or multi-trip insurance covers multiple trips within a 12-month period. This type of policy is ideal for those who embark on several journeys throughout the year, katulad ng mga mahilig mag-travel or mga business travelers, and offering continuous coverage without needing a new policy for each trip. And itong annual or multi-trip travel insurance ay may mga advantage at disadvantage din ito. So, dun muna tayo sa mga advantage niya. Number 1, cost savings. Sa mga madalas mag-travel, is often cheaper than buying multiple single trip policies for travel protection. Second, convenience. You only need to buy travel insurance once a year, so masasave mo yung time and effort mo. So third, peace of mind. Whether spontaneous trips or planned, with continuous coverage, you can adventure knowing you are protected. Ang mga disadvantage naman ng annual or multi-trip travel insurance ay ang no cancellation coverage. Unfortunately, multi-trip plans do not come with trip cancellation coverage because they are designed to provide protection year-round. And next, potential for overinsurance. If you do not travel as much as planned, you may pay for coverage you don't use. This is known as overinsurance, where you have more coverage than you actually need, leading to unnecessary expenses.
A backpacker or gap year provides cover for multiple destinations over an extended period. You might need to add cover for the kinds of activities you plan on doing, such as adventure sports, work, or volunteering. It says that a backpacker or a gap year travel insurance plan to cover multiple destinations over an extended period na nagbibigay ng proteksyon laban sa mga panganib na nag-uugnay sa mga activities tulad ng adventure sports, work, or pagbobolontaryo, na nagbibigay ng tamang pagpili sa tamang coverage that ensures peace of mind. Winter sports. Specialists cover if you're going skiing, snowboarding, or other winter sports. These are considered by insurers to be a high-risk activities and so are excluded from most standard policies. Dito naman sa winter sports, required specialist insurance covers upang maprotektahan ito laban sa mga pinsala sa mga kagamitan at iba pang mga panganib. Because ang mga activities na ito ay madalas na hindi kasama sa mga karaniwang patakaran sa travel insurance policy.
Worldwide, there are usually two types of worldwide policy, those that cover the US and those that don't. Worldwide travel insurance typically refers to coverage that applies to trips taken anywhere around the globe, except for excluded regions or countries. It means that policy provides protection for various risks such as trip cancellation, medical emergency, and lost baggage. Regardless ito sa destination mo, as long na walang exclusion, always check the policy
details for specific coverage, limits, and exclusion. European is not always clear-cut, as some policies cover areas that aren't technically in Europe. European travel insurance typically refers to coverage tailored for travelers within Europe or for those traveling in European countries. This can include specific benefits like medical coverage, trip cancellation, and personal liability na naka-align with European travel norms and regulations. It may also denote policies that are compliant with EU travel insurance standard. Kaya, always check the specific policies para maintindihan ang scope and limitation. Family covers 2 adults plus up to 4 children traveling together. Suitable if your children are 18 or younger and full-time with you. Family travel insurance generally refers to coverage that includes multiple members of a household, often covering parents and their dependent children like under 18 or youngest children who live full-time with you. This type of policy typically provides a package deal which can be more cost-effective and individual plans for each member. May include medical expenses, trip cancellations, and personal liability for all family members listed on the family.
As we wrap up our lesson on travel insurance, it is crucial to recognize its importance in safeguarding your travel experience. Travel insurance provides protection against unforeseen losses, whether domestically or internationally. We began by outlining what travel insurance covers, noting that while basic policies focus on emergency medical expenses, comprehensive plans offer broader protections, including trip cancellations, lost luggage, and flight delays. We emphasize 4 key benefits. Loss protection. Coverage for lost baggage and passports can alleviate stress during your travels. Second in the line is the medical expenses. Travel insurance compensates for medical emergencies abroad, often with cashless treatment options. Next is itinerary changes. It provides financial protection against unexpected changes to your travel plans. Lastly is the personal liability. This coverage protects you if you accidentally cause harm or damage to someone else. We also emphasize how to get travel insurance, where you can get travel insurance from different travel insurers. Next is how. It is by buying travel insurance online or over the counter or even on your phone. When it can be right away. That way you are covered if your trip gets cancelled before you even leave or if you are unable to travel at all. Another topic is what cover a traveler may need during a travel destination. It may include what ifs to consider depending on where you are going and what you will be doing. Also, who's buying travel insurance, which emphasizes the different generation that generate the most travel insurance nowadays. We then discuss the practicalities of acquiring travel insurance. It is important to buy your policy as soon as your travel dates are confirmed. We also categorize the types of travel insurance available to cater to diverse traveler needs. First is a single trip insurance, which is ideal for one-off journeys. Second is annual multi-trip insurance, best suited for frequent travelers offering coverage for multiple trips throughout the year. Next in line is the backpacker or gap year insurance, designed for those traveling to multiple destinations over an extended period. Fourth one is the winter sports insurance. Specialized coverage is crucial for travelers engaging in high-risk winter activities such as skiing or snowboarding. Another is worldwide and European policies. These policies vary in scope. with some covering areas beyond traditional geographic boundaries. Next is family policies. These are tailored for family traveling together. In conclusion, securing travel insurance is an essential step in your travel planning process. It not only offers peace of your mind, but also protects your financial investment in your trip. By understanding the various coverage options, benefits, and types of policies available, you can make informed decisions that ensure a worry-free travel experience. This is Hazel Ann Torres Fronda, summarizing the topic for travel insurance.
So if you like adventurous activities, get one. If traveling for about a week or more, get one. If traveling with kids or seniors, get one. And if you can spare budget for OOTDs, please spare budget for insurance too. It is very important to be safe and secured. And that will end our presentation po. Thank you po and God bless.